So we want to put the inches, we are creating halving for it. All right, a small halving that has been marked. The position has been marked, and we are going to just cut that one out for the hinges. Woodworking and carpentry work. We are still making the cement cupboard, and this is part of the carpentry part of the job. That's what we are doing here. Okay. Right. Then we are going to have the lock system that we use to lock it. We have it here. So this is the lock system that we're going to use to lock it. So we're going to put this one inside so that we can be hooking into the other parts. So that's what we are doing. We mark the position. Okay. All right. It's going to be mounted here, and the head is coming out from this other side. So we are going to drill a hole for the cylinder head here. The cylinder head will enter here, while this one is sitting like this, but the head is toward inside. Alright, so we have the square for the measurements. So we have traced this out, and then we're going to do here, and this other one too, we transfer it to the edge, just like this. Transfer it, and then we come back here and transfer it to the other side. Transfer the marks, the lines, transferred using the square. Okay. We don't have a drill, so we use the manual method using a small instrument like a socket. So the head is going inside. Okay, this way. It's going inside this way. We still have to dig it so that the hole will come out finally. That's what we're trying to achieve. So we're going to have halving for the lock system to come out full. Right. like this. The lock goes inside like this. All right, and the outer ring will be fixed here for it. Here is the key. So put it this way. You see it. Okay. So I'm going to screw it now and fix the outer ring by means of white glue. So we need to apply white glue. We have white glue here. Okay. The white glue. Okay. Right. So we'll put some sawdust in addition to the white glue to hold it in place. So the lock is in place. It's now well installed, and then you see it. You see the lock working. I'm going to fix the door now into the frame. One is inside the space, so we're using 3 screws to hold it. Okay. Okay. Lastly, we fix the handle to the 2 doors. So that is it. We got the handles for the two. So when you open this one from inside, you open it with the handle also. That's the final job. Don't forget to like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when I bring another interesting video like this. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.